Shut up! You don't think Ryan is famous?
Cousin Ryan.
You gotta...
Hey, what's up YouTube friends and family? It's Cousin Ryan, and I haven't driven my Mustang since Christmas Eve morning. My sister and I took it to breakfast, and as I tried to back into a parking space, couldn't get the car in reverse, had the clutch all the way to the floor, and it just wouldn't go in. Knew something was wrong with the clutch, wasn't sure what it was, but finally got it parked, ate breakfast, got home, and I started to do some exploratory, diagnostics, and I found that the cable that operates the clutch had started to fray. And as it started to fray, it would stretch, so you could push the clutch all the way in, but it wasn't disengaging the clutch from the engine. So how this works, there's a little disc with a fork that's attached to the clutch pedal. So when you push the clutch pedal in, that fork kind of comes up, and this little top hat looking thing here fits inside that fork. So when you push, well, it's not going back in because there's no tension on it, but so when you pull on it, it pulls the clutch, and this end operates the fork on the clutch, and when it goes in, it disengages the clutch from disengages the engine from the transmission, so you can come to a full stop. So little history on this car. My dad and I did this conversion about 20 plus years ago. It wasn't a common conversion back then. We put in a fuel injected 302 and a 5-speed out of a Fox Body Mustang, and it's kind of cobbed together with junkyard parts a little bit. There weren't kits to do this conversion back then, and so this isn't going to be a, hey, how to fix your car with a cable, or your 68 Mustang with a cable clutch. This is more, let's just hang out and see what we can do here, if we can fix this. One problem I ran into is figuring out what car this came out of, because I thought it was a Fox Body 5.0 Mustang, and I ordered a brand new Fox Body aftermarket heavy-duty clutch cable, but without it tied in a knot, I don't know, you can probably tell here that this is quite a bit longer and wouldn't work. So, make a long story short, doing a deep dive on the internet, this cable is out of a Fox Body Mustang, but it's out of an 86 or older. It's a 42-inch cable. The other ones are 58 to 60 inches. And some of the 86 Mustangs also had a 60-inch clutch cable with the 4-cylinder. So, not super common, but we were able to track one down through AutoZone, 27 bucks. So here's the deal. This shouldn't take too long to repair. Got the new cable here. We don't need this piece because we've already got an attachment inside the car. But it's a matter of fishing this through the floorboard up into, I'll show you here. So you can see the cable's completely disengaged. There's nothing here. The cable comes up through a hole right here. You can kind of see daylight actually coming through. It hooks onto this bracket here, and then the cable feeds up to that little fork I was talking about, attached to the clutch pedal. So we're going to attach that first, and then come down here underneath the car. Let me see if I can show you guys here. As we get under here, this is the fork right here that when you pull on the clutch pedal, it's going to push this forward, and we can attach that cable here. Yeah, I guess let's just get to it. Okay, so right now I'm trying to locate the hole, and I see it here. We're gonna feed this up through here between the headers. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing here. Trying to get that through. This isn't the easiest way of doing this, and that should just fit through that hole. Not sure why it isn't. Set the camera down for just a second here. There, stuck myself, but we got it through. Okay. Hopefully I'm not bleeding too bad. Okay, now that we got it through the floor here, there should be, oh shoot, I'm missing an Allen key. There's a little set screw right here that's gonna fasten it once we get it. There's a hole there. That set screw holds it in place. I gotta go get the little Allen wrench. Not sure how well you guys will be able to see this, but hopefully my hand's not in the way too much. So we're gonna tighten that up there. Okay, that's not going anywhere, we're good. So now I'm gonna get up in here and try to attach this cable to, I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to be a contortionist here. Yeah, shoot, there's not enough light up here. I can see with my eyes, but the camera can't. This little disc right here is attached to the pedal, and this cable needs to attach to that. So give me just a minute. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this okay. We're gonna fish this cable through right here. I think. Yep, there it goes. I don't like how that fits. Hold on. Sorry. Get that out of there. It's gonna hit the steering. There we go. That's better. Boy, there's not enough room to move hands around here. Okay. Now we've got this little clip that goes here. Whoops. It's just a little, if I could hang on to it, just a little clip like this that fits in this groove that holds the clutch cable in place. Okay, let's try this again with a wrench. Trying to figure out how the hell I did this before. I mean, that's been 20 years ago. Okay. Ah, almost right. Damn. What is the best way here? Oh, we got it. Nice. All right. Deep breath. We got it. Okay, we'll let the car down off the jacks and see how this works. Ooh, that clutch pedal's hard now. I like it. Let me go clean up, and then we'll come out and take it for a run. Here we go. Clutch feels good.
for a while, so we'll let it warm up. Goes into gear easy. Feels good. It catches a lot later now. Honestly, it's going to take a little bit getting used to, but it works so much better now. I think that clutch cable's been stretched for a long time. It doesn't engage until the last second when I let the pedal out. Feels so much better. Before, the pedal would have to be almost all the way to the floor before it would disengage completely. So much better. Love it. All right, you guys, thanks for hanging out with me, and until next time, be excellent to each other.
You know, say it's cousin Ryan on the Hollywood Boulevard. You know, say he bigger than any superstar. All of us spit you some real dope bar. Some them sweeter than any chocolate bar. Boom! Hey.